Printaura is an online platform that allows users to create and order custom printed products like phone cases, posters, and canvas prints. To make money online with Printaura in 2024, follow this step-by-step guide for beginners. Research and understand the market. Begin by researching popular designs, trends, and niches in the print-on-demand industry. Identify gaps in the market where your designs can stand out. Create a unique brand. Develop a brand name and logo that represents your style and resonates with your target audience. This will help you establish a strong online presence. Design eye-catching products. Create unique and appealing designs using graphic design software like Adobe Illustrator, Canva, or other free alternatives. Focus on creating designs that cater to your target audience's interests. Upload designs to Printaura. Sign up for a Printaura account and start uploading your designs to their platform. Choose from a variety of products to print your designs on, such as phone cases, posters, canvas prints, and more. Set your prices, determine your desired profit margin, and set prices accordingly. Consider the cost of materials, Printaura's fees, and any additional expenses like marketing costs. Create a website or online store. Build a website or an online store using platforms like Shopify, Wix, or Etsy. This will be your primary platform for showcasing and selling your products. Optimize for search engines. Ensure your website is search engine optimized (SEO) so potential customers can easily find your products through search engines like Google. Promote your products. Utilize social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest to showcase your designs and reach a wider audience. Collaborate with influencers or run targeted ads to increase your reach. Provide excellent customer service, respond promptly to customer inquiries, address any issues, and ensure a smooth purchasing experience. Positive customer experiences will lead to repeat business and word-of-mouth referrals. Analyze and improve. Regularly monitor your sales performance, customer feedback, and design trends. Use this information to improve your product offerings and marketing strategies. By following these steps, you can successfully make money online with Printaura in 2024. Remember to stay consistent, adapt to market changes, and continuously improve your designs and marketing strategies.